Most cars these days have alloy wheels, and sadly, just one of those things, they do get damaged, they get knocked, they get curbed. Sometimes water just gets under the lacquer. So if you want your wheels refurbished or a colour change, we're happy to give you a quote. All these have just been professionally sandblasted and powder coated, and also colour changed on these ones. These are orbital silver metallic. You could have gloss black, matte black, grey, light anthracite, bright yellow, blue, whatever you fancy. So if you want your wheels doing, happy to give you a quote. All professionally sandblasted, powder coated, so they'll last a long time. Phone number 01782 834 215.